There is a washing machine located in the kitchen next to the oven at Mulberry House, which you're free to use. To turn on the machine, just push the power button. This will activate the machine and everything will light up. To select a function, just turn the dial and then the light will illuminate on whichever function you selected. So here we have cotton, and then look on the right hand side, this panel here, it tells you what temperature you're on and what spin. You can change the temperature or the spin by just tapping on the side of the panel here, and that will change the temperature. Change the spin, do the same. Then to open the door, you just pull on the right hand side, there's a little groove where you can put your hand, it'll open up. Put your clothes inside. Please make sure that your pockets are empty of any screws or coins. We do supply laundry tablets and they're located on the left hand side of the machine in this tub. So just pop one of those into the machine, into the tub, and then shut the door. It will click shut so that you know it is closed. Now there are several functions for this machine, and I'm just going to show you on here in the manual. So as you can see, these are what these functions correspond to. So this is for your information. When the cycle needs to be started, you just push the start button here. It'll activate the cycle, it'll tell you how long it'll take on here, and then when it's finished, it will give you a beep, and then you're free to open up the door again from here. To turn off the machine, just push this button here, and it will turn off the machine. And that's how to use the washing machine. Thank you.